So today we will start with e-business models on the basis of transaction. We are having we are having six main type of models. These are business to business, that is B2B model, business to customer, B2C, business to government, B2G, customer to customer, that is C2C, customer to business, C2B, and the last one is business to employee, which is known as B2E model. These models are categorized on the basis of parties involved in the transaction. So if two parties are, one is the company and the another one is the government, then we will say it is B2G model. If both the parties involved are the customer, then we will say it is C2C model. So on the basis of parties involved, we will categorize e-business model. Let's go through the first model, that is B2B model. So under the B2B model, two companies will be involved. And what kind of services we can take through the help of B2B model, that is logistic related transaction. Logistic matlab it means supply chain. Logistic is supply chain transaction, distribution of material, storage, warehousing, outsourcing of the different activities. So these type of activities, these type of services we can avail under B2B model. Basically, two companies are helping each other to conduct the business. If I am the manufacturer, I would require another company who will provide me transportation services, who will provide me logistic services. So these facilities, when are availed with the help of internet platform, that is known as B2B model. Let's go through and check out the diagram over here. So in this diagram, you will see on the right hand side we have business organization, and there is well designed website of the business organization. Let's take example of Amazon. Amazon is a company, business organization, and amazonbusiness.com, that is the website through which organization will receive the order from its client, receive the order from the customer, and finalize the dealing, finalize the order transaction. On the other hand, we have wholesaler like Big Bazaar, Easy Day. They can be the wholesaler in this case. So whole Big Bazaar, Easy Day, they are also companies, they are also business organization. They are buying the product not for their personal use but for the further resale. So when two parties are involved, both are having objective of resale of the product, selling of the product, that model will be known as B2B model. In the next slide, you can see the example of India Mart. India Mart is the biggest B2B platform where you can buy few items, but that is available only for wholesaler, because you have to buy the products in the large quantity or in the bulk quantity. Next we have, that is business to customer. So B2C model, one party is the company and another party is the customer. Now this model is, you people are very familiar with this model, as every time when we buy few products online through the help of Amazon, Flipkart, Nykaa, Myntra. That is what? That is the dealing between one business and the customer. So that fall under the category of B2C transaction. Let's see the diagram over here. Right hand side you can see business, organization and website. So if I take the example of Amazon, Amazon is the business organization and website is amazon.com. Observe one thing, in this example I am not using the website amazonbusiness.com because business.com is for B2B, but amazon.com it is for B2C transactions. On the left hand side there is the customer. Customer is buying the product for his or her final consumption. So there is difference between both the model. Under B2B, the party who is buying the product, they are buying for their further sale, not for their personal consumption. But under B2C, customer will buy for his or her personal consumption. So he is the end user of the product or the service. Let's move to the next model, that is customer to customer model, C2C. So both side there will be two customer. Means like suppose if I have some old equipments at my home, I have a old refrigerator or the TV, so I want to sell it out. We have different websites who provide us platform through which we can sell the product, like Quicker, OLX. These are the website through which you can sell out the product. eBay is also one of the platform where you can advertise your product, and if somebody is interested to buy the product, they will contact through the that platform, that respective platform. Now I said in this model both side customers are involved. If I am selling my equipments, if I am selling any product, then why I am customer? Why I am not the company? Why I am not the seller? The reason is I will sell that particular product only once. Like if I am selling my old phone through the OLX, then I will sell it only once. If we take the example of seller, the person who is having the shop of selling the second hand item, second hand mobile phone, that will be regular activity. He will involve himself in such type of activity on a continuous basis. So that is the regular activity for that seller. We will say him seller, but here I am the customer. I will sell the product only once. That is why I am the customer, and this model is known as C2C model. One customer, the first customer, he will put the advertisement on the website, and another customer will check it out. If he like the product, he is satisfied with the amount, then he will finalize the transaction, right? Next model which we have, that is business to government model, B2G. So on the one hand we have one company, another side the party who will receive the services, that is the government. For example, suppose government want to construct a particular road, a particular bridge, then they will invite the tenders for particular construction. In case any company fill the tender, bid for the tenders, do involve themselves in the bidding system, then that is known as business to government model. So when you are making any payment of tax, you are filling the tax forms through the internet, you are filling the tenders through the internet website, that will be example of business to government, because here business is providing certain facility to government. In the next slide, you will see one example. Government agencies, they are taking services from the business organization, and here I am taking the example of TCS, that is Tata Consultancy Service, as the example of business organization. So here business is selling the product or providing the services to government agencies, but through the internet. Let's move to the next model, that is customer to business model. So where customer is providing the services to business, that is the C2B model. Now you will say how it is possible that one individual can provide the services to the business through internet. We are having number of freelancing websites. In the freelancing website, the companies provide a platform to public where they can give advertisement of their services. For example, if suppose I am a logo developer and I am providing my services at 1000 rupees for per logo. Now what I requires, in order to provide these services to any business, I need a platform where I can advertise my services. Often people used to advertise their services, like we have website. Fiverr is the one of the website which you can use to provide to advertise your services. Business houses, they will check out your ads from this particular website, and if they are interested in your work, they are ready to avail your service, then they will contact and hire you people. So that is under the model of C2B, where customer is providing the services to business houses. So freelancers are basically those parties, they are those person who are self-employed and they are not committed to a particular employer for a long term. And various freelancer websites are available where one person can add his or her ad regarding to his services, and another company, another business organization, they will take the services of that freelancer. Now let's move to the next model, business to employee model. B2E business model is the one where one organization will provide the information to its employees, and these are basically intra organization information exchange. Intra means within the organization. So when employer want to inform about the online insurance policy, he want to inform about the management employee benefit, terms of the employment, then employer can use the intra organization website. If you consider the example of Amazon, then Amazon also, in order to provide information to their employees, they are having their personal I will say intra-organizational website. Outsiders, they don't have access to use those website. Only employees within the organization, they will have particular password, and through the help of that password they will use the that particular website. So it is known as business to employees model. One is the business organization and another one is the employee of the organization. Let's move to the last model of e-business on the basis of transaction, that is the m-commerce. M stands for mobile. In this model of e-business, business dealings can be conducted by using the cell phone or handheld device. So if anybody is using a mobile phone or the tablets, tablet is also in this category. We are using mobile phone in order to conduct the transaction, that is known as the e-commerce. With this, we completed all the models of e-business on the basis of transaction. I hope you will like this video. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe Commerce Point. Thank you everyone.